HVAC Diffusers Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global HVAC diffusers market will expand at a CAGR of 6% from 2024 to 2031. North America HVAC diffusers market will grow at a CAGR of 4.2% from 2024 to 2031. Europe glycol dehydration unit market size of $1,842.7 million. Asia Pacific glycol dehydration unit market size of $1,412.78 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America glycol dehydration unit market size of $307.13 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.4% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa glycol dehydration unit market size of $122.85 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.7% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.